Oh man. Now I have all of these boards laid across the beds to where I'm going to be using them at. I do not have enough boards right now to finish all 3 of these beds, but I think I can finish these 2, and then I will cut more boards, obviously, for that bed. I'm just going to put this together. cut it is right here.
Right there?
Yep. Very good. You did it.
Can I eat it now?
No, you can't eat it now. Put it in the basket. Very good.
What?
Drop it right here between us.
Oh, it's blue. How do I know it's this?
One's about this size. That's too big. Yes. They still need a few days. No, the beans are getting real pumped up was going to seed.
This one's... I don't know which one's to pick size.
I told you which ones.
I know.
Oh, a blackberry. Do you want it? Yeah. The first one.
Look, there's a red berry.
Yep, they're ready when they turn black. That's why they're called blackberries. They're red until they're ripe. Yes.
Look. I like it.
Good.
The first one of this year. Good?
Oh, look, you see these tomatoes?
Oh, is this good, Mom? This good?
Hold on. Yeah, that's fine. Use your best judgment. Don't pick anything too small or too big.
Oh, are these
Oh, there's more blackberries. Two more.
You taste.
Oh, another one.
You taste one.
Okay. Woo. Wow. That's bitter. You did it squirt in your eye?
High five.
Woo. That's bitter, for sure. Good though.
It's staining my hands.
Mm-hmm. We do that. Nope.
Oh wait, another blackberry. Two more.
Oh, two more. You can go back there. Be careful where you step though, okay?
Are there snakes?
There should not be. Just watch where you're stepping.
There's cucamelons over here.
Yes, there's a lot of cucamelons over there.
Ow. One
And if you see,
blackberry?
good, and if you see any beans back there too.
Look at the blackberry.
That bean right beside you, is that, I can't reach it.
Oh, this one?
Let me feel it. No, too big. Leave it.
There's also another one over here.
Okay. That's fine. Pull that one.
Alright, I'm gonna eat. These are really good.
Go ahead, eat them. Doesn't have enough to do anything with them, so just eat them. You start down here and I'll start up here.
Why not just put it in the middle?
We'll meet in the middle.
Baby, why didn't you just meet me in the middle? What is that song?
Yeah.
No, what is that song?
It's called the middle. Here is our harvest basket, everything we just pulled out of the garden. Well, mostly it's beans. There's some flowers in there
I can
and
tell
two
them.
little spooky pumpkins.
Pumpkins, beans, flowers, more beans, potatoes, scissors. My PC player.
Nice.
Scissors.
Yesterday, the video ended abruptly. I did not come out with the camera again and record any more work that I did, but I went ahead and built these 3 beds. I'm short 1 wood piece, and I filled up 2 with the garden soil. So here that our basket is in. Of course, I need to add a good 10 inches of compost and add some amendments into the bed, but this is a great start. I also need to cap off the tops of all of the beds. And that's the 1 piece I'm short on. You didn't see it, but a lot of progress happened. I'm going to go ahead and end the video here. We're going to take our basket inside and go through it. I want to thank you so much for hanging out with us today. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Hollow Acres Homestead. We'll see you next time. Do you want to say bye?